Time. It's one thing that money can't buy. There are only 24 hours in a day, and none of us can change that. Let the Rider Friendly Business Association directory work for you 24/7. Generate leads, create coupons, special offers, and add event information. Leverage your time and marketing efforts by using the sharing tools. In as much time as it takes to have a cup of coffee, you can create a stunning ad that reflects your business style and brand. With reviews, videos, photos, and contact information, your ad is more than an ad. It's your calling card and a 24-hour salesperson. Not only is the directory highly mobile, the content in it also feeds our rider-friendly app in the Google Play and Apple App Stores. Membership in the Rider Friendly Business Association offers you many other benefits, but this one benefit alone is worth the $129.95 per year it costs. So why not join the Rider Friendly Business Association today? Visit www.riderfriendly.com.